Prosperity thinking. Prosperity thinking. Prosperity thinking is key. OM plus OH equals LP. 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 Prosperity. Prosperity. Hello. This is She Speaks the Truth 92, and I'm back not to bring you another quote, but to actually continue the tones, vibration, and sound video. I just wanted to talk more about it far as my experiences with it, and let me first start off by saying that the correlation to us and vibrations is nothing new. I personally feel like I can understand someone's energy before they even speak. I can feel what you call an empath. I can pick up easily on people's emotions, their thoughts. It's just the ability that I was blessed with, and it could be a good thing and it could be a bad thing. So let me see. So the ways that I can experience it is like if I go into a room, I can instantly feel how a person in that room feeling, or majority of the vibe that's in that room. I can pick up on it instantly. Also with that, it's a part of your senses. Like, it's all a part of you feeling empathy, I should say. And I mean, for as long as we can go back, even our ancestors, like before there was language, before we were speaking, we were listening. Drums were one of the ways that we spoke to one another. Dancing is another form of expression, expressing your emotions. And so I feel like it's important that people should be able to control your emotions, control what you're feeling, know how to turn it on and how to turn it off, when to feel emotional and when to act in a logical way. But I'm going to come back on because my phone is dying, and yeah, let me charge it. I'll be back. Hello, this is She Speaks the Truth 92, and I'm back on. So what I was talking about previously was people need to learn how to control their emotions and know how to turn it on, turn it off, based off of their situation. Sometimes everything is not needed to have a emotional reaction. Sometimes it's best to think logical and react in a rational way. So with our ancestors, I feel like they worked off of intuition. Intuition is simply a vibration. It's a energy that's in motion. And they were able to control it. And I mean, if you're able to control that, you basically have control over how everything operates, how an outcome is going to be. And during this time, I think it's very important to practice that. Practice it and focus on your abilities to tap in intuitively and be able to so I'm gonna try this once again. My son just decided to come in my video and crash it, but hey, um that's what happens when you have a child. Anyways, so I was saying that maybe lose my train of thought. Basically, again, this is a good time to practice this. Practice controlling your emotions and being aware of your emotions, acknowledging your emotions, and controlling your emotions so that you have control over your outcome. That's basically all that I'm saying. But that is my experience with tone, sounds, and vibrations. That is my input involving the information about our ancestors. And if you reflect and think back on that, then you're good. So, yeah, I'm going to talk to you soon. Bye.